Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to hide and show the search box in Windows 11. So right now I've got the full search box being displayed. To make any changes to these taskbar icons, just right click anywhere on an empty space on the taskbar and then select taskbar settings. The first option you're going to see here is taskbar items. If this isn't expanded, just click on the taskbar items label to expand it. The first icon you can make changes to is the search icon. Now, if you have the current latest version of Windows 11 installed on your computer, you'll see this drop-down menu. You can click on this drop-down menu and here you have some different options you can select with regards to search on the taskbar. Right now, the search box is selected and I can change this to the search icon and label, which will display the search icon with the word search inside of it. Or you can choose to have only the search icon displayed, or you can hide it completely. And in the same section, you also have control over these buttons down here on the taskbar, one being the task view, the widgets, and the chat. And this is where you can choose to show or hide these buttons on the taskbar. I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, please leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much for watching.